O my servant, O my slave, do you think that I have created you for no purpose, for no reason, and that you will not be returned to us? Is this how you live your life?
When the deeds are weighed, everybody will want to come and try to think of a way how they can make their scale heavier on that day. Maybe there's another chance. Maybe there's still a way. So now the scales have been resolved. Secondly, the weighing. Now, the crossing. There is not one of you but will pass over hellfire. This is with your Lord a decree which must be accomplished. Then we shall save those who had taqwa, and we shall leave the wrongdoers in hellfire in misery, down on their knees, feebled. There is not one of you but will pass over it.
Salman al-Farisi radiyallahu anhu, he cried and he ran. He did not allow Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wasallam to finish the recitation because he realized everybody has to go through Jahannam. And then he cried and cried and cried and cried. And they brought him back to Rasulullah, and his eyes were black and dark. And he said, Ya Rasulullah, all of us.
The bridge over hell is like the sharp edge of a sword. The first group to cross it will pass like a flash of lightning. The second group will pass like the wind. The third group will pass like the fastest horse. The fourth group will pass like the fastest cow. Then the rest will pass while the angels will be saying, "Oh Allah, save them, save them." Even the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ will pass it. Every person will pass the Sirat, this bridge which is bestowed over hellfire. The crossing of this bridge, my dear brothers and sisters, is a very dark one. It's very, very dark, and only your light will make you cross, as we said. The people with great light will pass very quick. The people with a little bit of light, they will have it on the edge of their thumb, and it will sometimes light up and at times it will go darken. Rasul ﷺ describes this bridge over hellfire as well, saying hellfire will be burning underneath somehow, and it has claws that reach it. They try to grab people from there. It's hungry. It has a tongue which comes out as well, and it will scrape people. Some people will cross it and they have been scraped